LA is just as gay as we are, and we love it.
West Hollywood makes us feel normal.
Coming from a small town in East Tennessee 6 months ago, I never knew I could feel empowered just by walking down my own neighborhood street.
Just watch out for those bird scooters. Girl, those things are everywhere.
Oh, girl, true. But for real, here in LA, we may have to lock our doors when we leave the house, but we never have to hide who we are.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead and clap, yes. Moving on. All the LA area Emmy nominees and winners tonight are chosen by judges within the Television Academy's active membership.
Voting procedures are overseen by the accounting firm of Ernst & Young.
And as if there's not enough sexy up here going on, let's please say hey to Ernst & Young partners Andy Sale and Paul Chin.
Girl, I almost wore that outfit tonight. In another life. In some categories, however, the Academy judges only nominated one entry, and so by default, that entry became an automatic winner, baby.
And we are going to announce those winners and have them accept their Emmys on stage.
The Emmy for Outstanding Children Youth Programming goes to Making Music, Making Friends, LA City View 35. Yeah.
I'd like to thank the Academy, Ted Lynn and Channel 35 for making this possible, as well as everyone at Pally Pictures for all their hard work. This moment means a lot, and it means even more that I get to share this experience with my dad. So, thank you.
Oh, that was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, I have to have you.
I love you. Oh, okay.